Wondering what a TikTok Pro account is and whether you should switch to one? We're here to give you a rundown of your options. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be explaining what TikTok Pro accounts are and how to get one. Now let's get started. TikTok Pro accounts get access to useful insights and tools to help creators learn about their video's performance, their audience, reach, growth of their page, and more. There are two options for TikTok Pro accounts: Creator and Business. Creator accounts are well suited for individuals looking to grow their TikTok pages and learn more about what resonates best with their audience. Business accounts are suitable for small businesses, companies, brands, etc. that want viewer insights to guide their marketing efforts, gauge success of their content, and learn more about their audience of potential customers. Creator accounts are permitted to use all sounds on TikTok. They get access to useful features like the interactive Q&A feature, analytics, promotions, and more. Creators with over 1,000 followers can add a clickable link in their TikTok bio for their own website or for a link landing page like Linktree or Beacon. Users with creator accounts in select regions will be eligible to join the TikTok Creator Fund once reaching 10,000 followers or more. You must be over 18 to sign up. Once you're part of the Creator Fund, you can make money from your content on TikTok. This is an awesome reward for continuing to post great content on the TikTok platform. Business accounts will get access to the TikTok for Business Creative Hub, where you'll find advertising and marketing solutions to help you promote your company. You'll have the option to link your business's website in your bio, no matter how many followers you have. You'll also be able to set up a TikTok Ads account to run promotions on the app. Note that business accounts are not allowed to use copyrighted music in their TikTok content the same way that personal and creator accounts can. Business accounts will have access to a library of sounds that are approved for commercial use. Creator and business accounts get access to the same analytics dashboard. Here you can see an overview of your page's performance, your content, followers, and live streams. These analytics help you learn what your audience likes based on which videos perform best, which in turn can help you figure out what types of content you should be making more of to better appeal to that target audience. Ready to switch to a pro account on TikTok? Here's how you can get a TikTok Pro account for free. First, go to your TikTok profile page. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Manage Account. Then select Switch to Pro Account. Choose whether you'd like a creator or a business account. Then continue filling in additional details as required for the type of account you've chosen. After that, you're all set up with your new TikTok Pro account. You can access useful tools by tapping the menu icon on your profile page. Then select Creator Tools or Business Suite to access analytics, run promotions, and more. That does it for our overview of what TikTok Pro accounts are and how to sign up for one. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.